kind of just thought I knew it all before I came here, but when you come here, no. I want to become a jack of all trades, and this helps you learn a little bit of everything. Carpentry, a little bit of mechanical work, a little bit of electrical work.
So technology, innovation, exploration, and design is Burlington Technical Center's introduction to the Tech Center. And we just call it pre-tech. We're open to any 10th grader who wants to come. Our goal is to introduce every program that the Tech Center offers. We do that in 2-week snippets, so they get a chance to experience a program without having to commit to a full year-long course of study. Figure out if it's actually the right fit for them so that they can then make a more informed decision. So we cover aviation, we cover automotive, we cover criminal justice, we do some carpentry, a lot of engineering, we do video production, we do photography. So the list goes on.
It was just way easier to learn here, honestly. Everything that how the teacher taught, what we did for projects, it was all just easier in my head.
We do a little bit of everything. Soldering, you put together things, he gives you challenges. It's mainly to challenge yourself and see what you can do.
They offered a lot of everything, and that was actually really nice for pre-tech because I had no idea what I would be doing junior year for my next program at BTC. And just having a little bit of everything was definitely helpful for making that choice to go to auto.
This program is a half-day program, and the goal of that is that you get to then go back to your sending school, you get to spend some time at your sending school, you get to be with your peers and take the other academic courses that you might be needing.
It doesn't even feel like school, honestly. Everyone here is nice, and we all just kind of have the same minds because we're all just very hands-on people, I would say.
I feel more achieved for sure, I've done more things. I'm just hoping I can get somewhere good in life one day and, have fun while doing it.
To learn more about our application process and programs, visit Burlington Technical Center today at btc.bsdvt.org.